Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So now it's time to do our footer, right? But before footer, what I do think is that let's complete our menu, right? So first of all, let's come here. Let's add a new section, a full blank section, all right? And now let's drag it to the top. All right, yeah, let's drag it here. Now let's add a column here, add new column. So the first one, this is for the heading, all right, or the site name, which is creative in our case, and this is for the navigation menu, all right. And see here we have a line, right? A dotted line is there, and see when you hover over it, you can see an icon of stretching, right? If you click and drag it here and there, you can even control the width of each column. So what I do think is that let's make it like 30% and 70%. Yeah, 30, 70. That's fine. Well, it doesn't even matter because here we are going to add a text or an image, of course. Yeah, the logo. And here uh, we'll be having the navigation. All right. Yeah. Now here you will learn a really cool trick. Yes, friend. So the first thing, let's add a heading here. Let's add a background color for now. Let's make it yeah, let's make it this color. All right, this section is there, right? Let's add a class of header. Remember, we have added a class of header to this section. Okay, just remember this thing. All right, next, this text, let's make it creative. Yeah, we are creative, of course. Let's make it h1, kind of big. Yeah, this is fine. And here we are going to have a navigation menu. Let's write here navigation and see here navigation menu. It's there. Well, currently we don't have any menu. No menus have been created. Let's create some. First of all, let's click on apply. Update changes to the page. Next, just update it here also. And now let's create some menu. And now how you can create a menu? You can create a menu by going to appearance. All right, so inside the dashboard, let me just come here, dashboard, appearance, menus, and see here you will see a link of creating a new menu. All right, let's write here a menu name. Yeah, always create a new menu for your Elementor. Okay, yeah, yeah, for the first one. All right, so let's write here, say lm menu. Let's create this menu. All right, next for the pages, first one, this is fine. Let's add to menu, label home, that's fine. Next, custom links. All right, url hash services, this is for services. Let's add to menu, home, then services. Let me see here. No, about us is there. Then okay, so link about us or about, link text about. Let's add to menu. After services we have works, hash works, works, add to menu, or even you can write her portfolio. Yeah, let's write her portfolio, not the URL but the label, portfolio. All right, so home, about, services, portfolio, then testimonials, team, blog. Not all are necessary. Testimonial, team. Okay, then blog is there, right? Hash blog, blog. All right, let's add to menu. One, two, three, four, five. All right, yeah, and then contact. Contact should be there. Hash contact, contact, contact. Let's add to menu. I think I will delete this blog. Let's remove it. All right, and we will be having testimonials. Hash testimonials. All right, let's add to menu. Okay, now let's save the menu. So home, about, services, portfolio, contact, testimonials. Testimonials, let's put it here. All right, let's save the menu, and the location of this menu, let's make it primary. Save the menu. Manage locations, primary, LM menu. Okay, yeah, that's even fine. Now pages, all pages, home page, let's edit with Elementor, and by that also hit refreshed this page. All right, let's go to the top. All right, we don't have anything. Select the menu, it's LM menu. All right, yeah, let's click on apply. Okay, now yeah, so this is our menu, right? Now we need to add few custom styles for our header, right? It's really very simple, friend, no need to worry. So what we can do is, let's add custom CSS. This one is for header. Let's click on publish. So the first thing, let's hit refresh here. Now let's right click, inspect element, and let's take a look at what is happening here, isn't it? This is LM menu, class equals menu. This is the UL, right? So menu, LM menu, this is the ID, right? Let's press Ctrl C, and let's come to our this CSS header. This is ID, right? So hash, then paste it. Next li, display inline block. Let's hit update. All right, let's hit refresh. Let's copy it, hash menu, LM menu, text align right. Yup. Next, these are anchor tags, which is inside this li. right? So let's grab it. Press Ctrl C, paste it, select the anchor tag, and let's write here. Let's provide a margin right of 30 pixel. Let's hit update. Let's hit refresh. Oops, sorry. Let's provide margin left. Sorry, not margin right, margin left. Now, see here, friend. One thing is that I was checking and I saw one thing, that is uh, this menu. It is having a font family. It's Montserrat, right? It's Montserrat. This font. That's why it was looking kind of. Yeah, it's fine also. I'm not objecting, but our font we are using Nunito, right? So we'll be using Nunito font. So for that, let's see font family Nunito. Let me write here. So let me hit update. Let's take a look here. Let's hit refresh. Yup, there you go. It got implemented here. Okay. Yeah, all right. All right. All right. Now the color will be white. So let's come here, CSS header, color. Let's make it hash FFF. Update. It's not happening. Oh my god. It should be the anchor tag should be targeted, right? So let's come here. The anchor tag. Let me cut it out. This is for the anchor. Let's hit update and let's come here, hit refresh. All right, there you go. All right, yeah. And on A on hover, the color will be hash D35400. So let me just copy. Press Ctrl C to copy. Paste it. A on hover, color hash D35400. It's happening. All right. Okay, let's open in our Google Chrome. See here, friend, the issue is the content is not aligned properly. By the term properly, what do I mean is that this content is not aligned right at the center vertically. So, what we can do? Let's come to our Elementor page. Let's click on this edit section button. See, here we have an option of vertical alignment. Let's make it right at the middle. This will solve for the logo. Now what to do for the navigation? Now see here, friend, this logo, it is aligned right at the vertical center, but not these navigation items. You know why? Let's right click, inspect element, and see here friend, just target this UL. See here we have a margin top of 10 pixel, and also we have some default margin. Let me just show you. See here, menu margin top of 10 pixel, right? It's there. Let me just hide it. And also this one is there. See, UL, OL, margin, top 0, right 0, bottom 1.5 1.5 em, and on the left side it's 3 em. So we need to manage these things. All right, yeah, now I think it's right at the center. So we need to delete these two styles. All right, so let's select dot menu, this style, this whole, just copy it, and inside header just paste it, and this is going to be 0. All right, and also for the UL and OL, it's there. Yeah, this is the one. UL and OL, press Ctrl C, copy, and let's just paste it here. All right, and this one let's provide 0, this one also 0. Let's hit update. Now let's hit refresh. Yeah, there you go. There you go, friend. Now the thing is, we can style our header. All right, so dot header was there, right? Let me just style it properly. Dot header. Now this we are going to do in our next lecture, else this lecture is becoming lengthy, right? Okay, so see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care. Our header that we have created in our last lecture. Now what's the first impression that you are getting by seeing this header? Well, let me tell you that we are going to make it fixed right at the top. Okay, this is our plan. Well, now the first impression what I'm getting is I need to give some space to this header. Let's increase its height. All right, yeah. So what you can do in order to increase the height of our header? This is our header section, right? Let's click on the edit section button. Now let's come to this layout tab and see here we have an option of height. Let's select the mean height option, and now you can provide a height of your choice. And see here we have an option of pixel, right? So what I'm thinking is, let's keep it between 96 to 112 pixel. Yeah, I think I will keep it 112 pixel. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. I think I have not updated it and not refreshed it also. So first of all, let's update this page and also let's refresh it. All right, yeah, now it is fine. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. Let me see here. Yup, awesome, awesome. All right. Now the thing is, friend, this is the header, right? What we want is this to remain fixed right at the top. When user starts scrolling, this will remain fixed at the top. Let's go step by step. So the first thing is we want this to be fixed, right? So let's come here to our dot header and let's write here position fixed. All right, let's take a look. Let's update it. Come here, hit refresh. Well, it's not working as expected. I think there is some issue. Okay, yeah. I think here we need to delete the comment. Yeah, this was, I was just testing previously. That's why. All right, so let's delete the comment and also let's provide background color green. Now let's come here and hit refresh. Okay, yeah, now it is working. You know why? Because of that comment, it was not working. Yeah. Now we can't see anything, right? Now let's provide a z index of this header. Let's provide a z index. Yeah. Once you have provided position fixed, okay, that element where you are mentioning the position fixed, that element will be out of the flow of the normal page. Z index, let's write here 100. Let's take a look. Update. Now let's hit refresh. You will be able to see it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. See, this is the thing. Now let's provide width 100%. Now everything will be solved. Width 100%. Let's hit update. Let's come here, hit refresh. See, there you go. All right. Yeah, it's fine, right? Let's hit refresh here. Stay on page. Let's update it. And also let me hit refresh. Yeah, actually the color green is not implemented. You know why? Because here we have provided, let me just show you here, background. Here the opacity we have provided here 0, right? That's why it is not showing. Now let's clear it. See, now we can see the green color, right? Now we don't want it to be green. All right, so for now let's make it transparent. Okay, so let's do nothing. Let's clear it and also let's comment, or let's delete this color. This yeah, let's delete this background color for now. So let's hit update. Let's come here, hit refresh. Let me just update this one and let's hit refresh. What is happening? Yeah, let's hit refresh. All right, all right. See, now it is right at the top. Now the issue is whenever we are scrolling or whenever the user is scrolling, see, this is kind of distracting, right? Because it is coming with the content. We don't want that. What we want is whenever a user will start scrolling, automatically a background will be added to this header. And how we can do that? We can do that using JavaScript. Yes, friend. And in our next lecture, we are going to implement it. Yes, friend. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care. Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So now it's time to do our fixed header. Our header is fixed, that's fine. But we need to add background whenever a user starts scrolling. And that we can do using JavaScript. Yes friend. So let's come here, custom CSS and JS. Let's add a custom JS. Alright. And this one let's write here, say menu. Let's hit publish first, or you can even write a fixed header. Okay, no issues. And now see here friend, everything you write here you need to use jQuery, not the dollar sign, but jQuery. All right, so let's write here jQuery window dot scroll function let's see whether it works or not. Let's provide here alert hi. All right, so let's click on update and let's come here, hit refresh. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's working, that's fine. All right, now let's create a variable where top equals, let me just copy this one. So yeah, jQuery window dot scroll where top equals scroll top. All right, jQuery window dot scroll top. Next if so what we are checking, that when a user starts scrolling we are going to create a variable top and it will store a value. What value? jQuery window dot scroll top, which means it will calculate that how much the user has scrolled from the top, and if it is greater than 70 pixels, so if a user has scrolled 71 pixel or anything which is greater than 70 pixel, then only this function will get triggered. All right, so let's write here jQuery dot header dot css background color RGBA 0.7. All right, no, not like this. Background color, provide a comma, then start, and then here you need to end it. That's it. Yeah. Okay. All right. And else press Ctrl C. Here just paste it, and this one will be 0. Let me just save it and let's see whether it works or not. Then I will explain you everything. All right. So let's hit refresh. All right, now we are at the top, right? Now let's start scrolling. See here, automatically the background has got added. Now again let's go to the top. When we will come below 70 pixel, automatically the background will be removed. How cool is that? So now let's come here and let me explain you. So what is happening here, friend? See, on scrolling, we are creating a variable top where we are storing uh, the scroll top value, which is, say for example, let's come here. We have scrolled, say 200 pixels. So the top value will be 200 pixel from the top. Okay, it is checking how much you have scrolled from the top. Okay. Next, if top value is greater than 70 pixel, then what is happening? jQuery select the header dot css. We are implementing a css property. What property? Background color. Then what value? This value, rgba. rgba means, rgb means red, green, blue, and a means alpha, which means opacity. All right, so 000 means black, 0.7 means 70% opacity, and when it is not greater than 70, like say less than or equal to 70, then the background color will become transparent again. That's the thing which we are implementing here. All right, I will share with you this code, not to worry. All right, let's click on update. I will share with you all of these, all of these custom codes that I have written for menu, header, posts, theme, testimonials, general styles, everything. All right, friend. So let's come here and let's hit refresh now. Now let's start scrolling. There you go. See, it's really very cool, right? I think let's make it 0.7 or 8. Or yeah, I think I will make it 0. Which is the one? This is the one, right? Menu. This is the one. Let's make it 0.8. Okay. Let's hit update. And let's come here. Let's hit refresh. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. All right. So now we got our menu, right? So that's it, guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in our next lecture where we are going to create our responsive menu. Yes. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.